You should now be ready to put insight into action with Google Analytics. You've explored advanced techniques for understanding users, analyzing traffic sources, and improving site engagement and conversion. You should also have some good ideas about how to use custom segments, channel definitions, calculated metrics, page value, and cart to detail and buy to detail rates, and increased familiarity with reports, including the channels, pages, and the enhanced e-commerce reports. Be sure to complete all of the assessments to earn your certificate of completion, and please complete the survey so that we can build even better courses for you in the future. Thanks for your participation, and happy analyzing!